How to log out Insta ID from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out your Insta ID from other devices. Now, if you are logged into other devices or various multiple devices and you want to log it out, then what you want to do is open up the app and log into your account. You'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and once here you'll find the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and then head over to settings and privacy. Now here, if you get the option security, then you can just head over there. In my case, I have to go inside account center, and under account center, if you scroll down, you'll find the option password and security. Now tap on it, and here what you want to do is just simply head over to change password, and if you change the password of your account and you type in your current password and then you type in new password, it will simply change your password and log you out from all your devices. Now this is the first option. However, if you just want to log out of all other devices, then what you want to do is scroll down and you'll see the option where you are logged in under security checks. Open this up. Here, if you scroll down, and you can see my profile username and there's device type unknown. Tap on it and you can see all the accounts or all the devices that you have logged in your accounts. Now to log out of all devices, just tap simply on select all and then tap on log out of all devices, and it will ask you for confirmation and do you want to log out from these devices. Then simply tap on log out and your account will get logged out from all other devices. So this way you can log out Insta ID from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.